Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Airtable. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you decide which tool best suits your needs. Notion offers a flexible, all-in-one workspace for notes, wikis, and project management, acting like a digital blank canvas. In contrast, Airtable functions as a powerful spreadsheet database hybrid, excelling in structured data organization. We'll delve into their unique strengths, use cases, and how they approach data management, providing clear insights for your decision-making process. Notion truly shines as a versatile workspace, seamlessly integrating documents, databases, and wikis into one unified platform. Its extensive customization options, utilizing blocks and templates, allow you to build almost anything, from personal organizers to team content calendars. It's perfect for knowledge management, content creation, and flexible project tracking. The free plan generously offers unlimited blocks for individual users, making it an excellent starting point for many. Airtable, on the other hand, masterfully combines the familiar interface of a spreadsheet with the robust capabilities of a database. It boasts powerful field types, linked records, and sophisticated automation features, making it ideal for managing structured data. Think CRM, inventory systems, or detailed editorial calendars. Its free plan provides a solid foundation, including 1,200 records per base and 2 GB of attachments, perfect for data-heavy projects. When considering cost, Notion offers a free personal plan, with paid tiers starting around $8 per user per month for more advanced features. Airtable also provides a free plan, with its paid options beginning at $10 per user per month. Both platforms scale effectively, but for different purposes. Notion excels in scaling knowledge management and collaborative content, while Airtable is highly scalable for complex data management and workflow automation across larger teams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.